Okay, now for vertigo issues, generally in vertigo, 90% problem arises from the neck region, and the actual region of vertigo from the neck is compression. If somebody is having compression in between C1 to C7 cervical vertebrae, then the vertigo and dizziness occurs. So before giving traction for vertigo, you have to clear this cervical stiffness. Okay, so how you will clear this cervical stiffness? Let's see. You have to apply a little bit powder. You can use cream also, but better than cream is powder, because you'll have to have a grip on the muscles. If you use cream, you will not be able to grip the muscles properly. So you have to apply a little bit powder for the smoothness. With these two fingers or with the thumb, you can make this area free. You have to do it clockwise. So this way you have to move your fingers and cover up to this region, from the skull up to the collarbone. So you have to clear and muscle stiffness with this clockwise technique. You have to clear the whole area like this. You can see a little bit swollen region, this area. This is cervical and thoracic region. If you find a little bit swollen in this thoracic and cervical joint, it means there is a disturbance of a circulation. So you have to use the Bowen technique as well here to clear this swelling and inflammation of this region. But you have to do this clockwise, the whole cervical region from left to right. Then you have to give this is we call necklace pressing. With the help of your thumb, you have to press like this from left to right, and you can clear this neck region, the C1 area, C1, C2. Then you have to use this thumb from the thoracic and C7 joint. You have to move this way. Left side first, then right side. Up to the skull. Okay, again, after doing all this thing, again do the clockwise. Press little bit inside the muscles and do the clockwise up to the collarbone region. Collarbone muscles you have to free. The whole neck region you have to free. Then the circulation will be better. Then after doing all this thing, the main part of point and the vertigo, to stimulate to improve the dizziness of vertigo, you have to do this traction. So doing all this thing clockwise and free up the muscles region. The main treatment for vertigo is neck traction. The traction treatment, just I'll show you how you can do this traction.